Okay. Hi. So this is the electric cycle that I built. Now, I have a program running. It's an Arduino Uno over here. It's a very haphazard setup, but it's basically a magnet on the wheel and a unipolar Hall effect sensor over there. That's what it's called. So basically, what it does is just detects a magnetic field and sends a certain signal over here. So that would mean that the wheel has rotated once. Okay. Now using that information, I had a code written, using ChatGPT. I'm not that smart. So now I have the code written. It's gonna tell me the total distance, the range, because I don't want to buy any of the fancy gear to measure the speed and range and all of that. The manufacturer said that the battery would last 30 kilometers, but I'm not that sure. So once I've charged the battery to full capacity, I'm going to test its range. The rate at which its speed drops over extended use, because as the battery percentage goes lower, it's going to go slower. Okay, the rate at which the speed drops, the number of revolutions, the entirety of the duration that the wheel's been spinning, top speed. There's a bunch of data that I'll basically use to see how much farther I can go on my cycle and if I can improve anything on it, because right now it's pretty great actually, but it's very unpredictable when the battery dies, because in like a span of 2-3 minutes it starts going really slow and stops after that. So okay, yeah. Now, because I'm not riding the cycle, I'm gonna need a simulation of load. Now, that means I'm gonna have to make a way so that this wheel doesn't have much free spin. Like the moment I leave the tire, it should become still. So for that, I'm gonna put something in the brake cable to extend it, and therefore basically activate the brake so it doesn't really spin. Okay. Now I know this is gonna destroy my brake shoes, but they're already pretty worn out, so I do have to get new ones anyways. So this is just a sooner way to get it. Okay, I added some. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Yeah, so we have some load. Now, I can't seem to keep the throttle fully. It just does this. Just pushes the lock, and I thought the tape would be enough, but it's not. So let's think of something else. Okay, I managed to do some Jugadu setup. It's not at full speed, because at full speed it sounds scary. And it's really loud, and I don't want my mom disowning me. So let's leave it at this. So there's going to be a lot of wasted data, like top speed, the rate at which the speed drops over time. But I should get the range right, because it's using lesser power, so I should use that power to go further, right? So it should be the same range. I guess it's working now, because it's giving all the data. It seems realistic, so let's cross our fingers. Hope for the best. Here's a second look at the hardware setup. Pretty cool, if you ask me. Now I just had to plug in my charger so that my